Adnan Water Tank presents Adnan Auto Clean Water Tanks for the first time in India. ये सेल्फ क्लीनिंग वाटर टैंक्स हैं जिनको लगाने से आपका पानी बैक्टीरिया और जर्म्स से महफूज रहता है और आपके घर में बीमारियों का डर कम हो जाता है।
Black colored lines. Black lines కనబడుతున్న కలర్కి that is how we identify. These black lines will not be present on a cobra. Cobra పైన black colored lines ఉండవు అన్నమాట. When you observe from the middle point in the tail, it will be having black colored lines. For a rat snake, cobras की मल्ली black colored lines ఉండవు. Okay. Now, after the session questions.
Questions after the session, okay?
Right. So there is this misconception that the snake apparently will have venom in the tail. Reality is, if the snake is very long, it is only twisting itself around the arms to support. దీని పాములో తోకలో విషం అనేది ఉండదు. But tails are very strong. ఒకసారి it is split చాలా దగ్గర దెబ్బ తగులుతుంది not చింపేయచ్చు. Right. Try to observe the snake. It is observing me, right? However, I am moving. Right. So whenever any person places a flute in front of the snake, it will only observe the movement of the person. Okay, Adi, it appears like it is dancing, but in reality the snake will not dance. It only observes the person's moving. Okay, so does the snake head has nagamani or any precious stone? No, it does not have. It is just like us, so the snake's also brain is more important, or it is for most of it. Right. And if you can see the markings on the back of the head, Krishna Pada Mantara, the bispectaculated mark, that mark, that mark can be seen on the front as well. Frontal side as well, the mark can be seen. The impact of that is, it appears that the snake is looking at us, the prey animal. Okay, right, pretty. So what do you do when someone is bit by a snake? Pamuk karisi em cheyali?
So we take them to the hospital for antivenom.
Correct. And what else? కట్టు కట్టాలి. ఓకే, ఆంటీ నాకు క్వశ్చన్. చేతి కరిచిన పర్సన్ కి కట్టు ఎక్కడ కట్టాలి? ఓకే, కాళ్ళకి కరుస్తూ సో దట్ tourniquet doesn't work. అది పని చేయదన్నమాట. Correct. So what you do is something we have to do something called as right. RIGHT. R stands for reassure. You have to reassure the patient. You have to reassure the patient that the particular snake is non-venomous. మీకు ఎఫెక్ట్ ఏం లేదు అనేసి రీఅష్యూర్ చేయాలన్నమాట పర్సన్కి. I stands for immobilize. ఆ మూవ్మెంట్ కాకుండా ఇమ్మొబిలైజ్ చేయాలి. అంటే పర్సన్ జరగకుండా, పర్సన్ కాళ్ళు అయినా చేతి అయినా జరగకుండా have the black colored lines. Okay, that is how you differentiate cobras and rat snakes. Right. Rat snakes are called as friends of farmers. Reason being, rat snakes predominantly eat on rats. Right. So when the rats are eaten, the farmers are at a benefit.
Keshava.
Okay. So then there is a misconception that rat snakes have venom in their tail. This is tokalo vishamani antaru. Rat snakes will be having venom in their tail, which is a misconception. But the reality is, the rat snake's body is so long that just to balance itself, the rat snake will be coiling itself or hitting us with the tail. But that doesn't mean the tail of the rat snake is venomous. Rat snake జరిపోతే తోకలో విషం ఉండదు. The snake does not have venom at all. Okay?
फोम लेयर का इस्तेमाल करके 4 लेयर्स में इन टैंक्स को बनाया गया है। तो आप भी अपने घरों से साधारण वाटर टैंक्स को हटाइए और घर ले आए अदनान ऑटो क्लीन वाटर टैंक्स। अदनान वाटर टैंक्स, सेफ एंड हेल्दी वाटर स्टोरेज सोल्यूशन, बंगलागुड़ा, हैदराबाद।